I used to spend like 2 hours cutting one video, removing the cutting dead areas, adding captions, cropping it for shorts, 2 hours for content that gets watched for maybe 4 minutes. Now I type one sentence in my terminal and walk away. Let me show you exactly what is happening on my screen, because this isn't no code AI tool. This is Claude Code, and I think most of creators are already sleeping on it. Quick context. So this doesn't sound like hypo. Claude Code is Anthropic code agent. It runs in your terminal. It can read your files, write files, and run command on your computer. It was built for software engineers, but here's the thing. Most of what eats your editing time isn't creative. It is mechanical cutting, silence, like Santi caption, exporting 5 aspect ratio, or that is actually not editing, that is data processing, where a video customized, and the data processing is exactly what an agent that can run code, and that is better than any video editing. This is not replacing Primer or CapCut for the creative cuts. That is the B-roll choice, the pacing, the vibe, they replacing the 80% of editing. That is just cutting the repetitive task. What is actually happening under the hood? Here's my steps. I have got Claude Code installed, and it is using a tool called FFmpeg, that is actual video processor doing the cutting, cropping, and rendering. Claude Code is the one deciding what to tell FFmpeg to do based on what I ask for in just in plain English. So the loop looks like this. I saw what I want, cut the dead area, remove the filter words, burn it in subtitles. Claude Code reads the transcript and the timestamps. It writes the exact FFmpeg command. It ran them. It checked its own output before showing me the render. The last step matter. That is the same pattern people use for coding with the Claude Code plans. Execute, verify, just find the video file instead of a code base. Here is the raw take from the exact video. Listen. I asked Claude Code to find the silence gaps over 1.5 seconds in the raw text, like, and cut them. Also remove the filter words based on the transcript. That is it. It used a silence detection pause, literally just measuring the audio waveform for the gaps. Cut every one of them and cross-reference my transcript that I'm going to give them, and it's going to remove the areas. I didn't touch a timeline once. Caption used to mean uploading to same services, waiting, downloading, and SRT resigning if it is cut changed. Now the transcript is the source of truth, so when I cut the silence, the caption move with it automatically. Style the way that actually want them for my brand, not same default templates. This is the part that actually saved the most of time. I record one landscape, then I need it for YouTube short, for TikTok, or for Instagram feeds. That's it. Keep my face centered. Part matters. It is not a just damn crop. It is tracking where I am in the frame, so I don't cut off 3 expert, one comment, maybe 90 seconds of the render time. I want to be straight with you because I am not trying to sell you a fancy thing that is not going to pick your best take out of nonsense and tone that way a human editor would do it every time. Do complex motions, graphic or color grading like Div Events Resolve. Replace your creative judgment on passing in stories. So What actually it's replacing is the 80%, the stuff that made me dread like opening my editing software. But the creative is the 20%, deciding what to stays, what the video actually about it tell on me. That is the part I want to doing anyway. If you want to try this by yourself, install Claude Code. It's Anthropic CLI tools. Run on Mac, Windows, Linux. Make sure FFmpeg is installed on your machine. It is free and it is what it does the video editing. Get a rough transcript of your footage. Even on the auto-generated 1B Claude Code will clean it up. Start small. Ask it just cut silence on the clip before you trust it with the full editing. I will drop the exact prompt I use in the description so you're not going to start from a blank terminal. I am not a video editor. I am not trying to become one actually. I am the founder who needs content the door so I can get back to building. If that is you too, if editing is thing standing between you and posting consistently, try this. Follow for the next one where I'm going to show you the actual prompt library I use for my whole content pipeline start to finish.